So the captain on the cruise ship just announced that our departure from Puerto Plata in the northern shore of Dominican Republic has been delayed because of the huge amount of wind that's coming in. We've got a lot of wind crossing from starboard to port across the front of the ship. It's a straight shot out of the channel here. We're port side too, but that amount of wind is going to want to push us up against the dock, and it has the potential to force us out of the channel. Have to wonder if you watched my last video about the Celebrity Cruise Line up in Juneau, Alaska. Good going for the captain on board.